ama-diagonal balls like lama curve is since wafuna vele umcheck urile wonke lama run bekawayenza ngara esayidini ngithola AmaZulu tried but then I feel like bashawe yini confidence they didn't have a confidence as such.
So i-Riding masivele sivule nge-Riding nge-line up because the only thing that changed we-game layer
uHoto kuphela
yeah so uNdaba bambekile then when it came to ama-sub did the same sub uRiding
yeah but then uchange afanda ihlukile uNgwanasisi yeah evidence yeah
the first two subs
the first two subs were Nodio na last ngithola and then was uKfine no akafakanga item akafaka umsendami Notito but then this time around uvekele wafaka umkhomaghopa ngithola of which isebenzela uThemba
which ikubuyisela nakuphi ikubuyisela ukuthi unto uDijong kumele drop manje angabi lapha kube uNgwanasisi lapha ya then uDijong azokhona ukudlala ini lebhola lakhe ekelazi because uDijong it's more like I number 10
yilo into beyiseyikhuluma before the game imini ukuthi uDijong he's very versatile like uDijong umnandi ngaleyo nto leyo uyangithola ungamdlalisa yeah uyakwazi ukusilandela ibhola look at this last goal when you look at this last goal ucheke okay fine uNgwanasisi these two guys contributed a lot.
Yes.
uDijong uphasele uNgwanasisi ngani ngeflick and then la uNgwanasisi la uDijong waba smart enough wabuya nalo wanibuyisela kubani kuNgwanasisi uNgwanasisi naye composure bra wami ngihlezi ngikhuluma la idini composure pass pick a player pass uyangithola and then urile naye he was so and manje urile ubulelele keeper kayi2 same way
mara abanye would argue that this was an offside.
They argue ukuthi this is an offside, it's a run from behind.
Yeah.
I think umuntu olahle ipost yini defend. Ngithola akabonanga urile makashaya lo run.
But as a defender
uyayibona.
You also said ukuthi uRiding if Alqurabu lele goal leli AmaZulu was actually bethembisa the first 10. Bethembisa. But you know I feel like bona they were trying to don't try to play ibola le Pirates more than the Pirates. Pirates is good in terms of this Spanish football. Ukubeka ibola phansi, you know, finding each other, you know, being like, you know, cool and relaxed on the ball. Like they don't do any unnecessary passes and then there. But then today, I feel like like when you look at the likes of our police bejaha bekhona la ejaha kona in terms of ukufaka map fena 30 yard like mouth yathula yabeka uthi man une umnandi ngani nge-first touch but then decision making uyangithola decision making so you saying that was a good sub ukuthi
yeah and today I feel like ucoach yazwenzeni umnikeze isikhathi uyangithola akamsheshelanga like njengale game esibuya kuyo because kule game esibuya kuyo umkhiphe on 65 minutes 65 minutes but then this time around umyekile ukuthi adlale the whole 80 minutes uyangithola so it shows ukuthi he still believes in him and then he knows ukuthi he can make a difference uyangithola as long as he's still in the ground uyangithola
yeah ukhale hey ngumfukeke mfana uthi khona umuntu omhlebele something
hayi
omhlambe bakhulumile ngale offer ya Orkati ukuthi mhlambe seyisole
kutayi ndoda manje
bafethu the boy yo look at that long pass ne connect the ball connects like urile doesn't need to like akufune ukuthi ukuphi urile once akubona wenza ilona irun imamela lethothi ayenza into eyiphaya he knows ukuthi ibhola mele lieva amabhola wakhe aconnect out yami make no mistake
which means angithi ikubuyisela kulento le ihlezi isho umuntu ucoach coach akutshela ukuthi urele as soon as umphasa ibhola uyalazi ukuthi
he knows ukuthi mele lieva uyangithola
so everything le urele kuyenza ilento istatement esihlezi
sisho ngoku
what uyasho ukuthi urele le player is special
ayibara let's also give it to uMakhehleni bafethu let's also give it to uButo Mdala like you know he had a great game he controlled that you know midfield you know with manje ama-talent awafani bafethu
like as long we will start as long sizoqala ngombatha nonto noNwakaula we will never go wrong
you'll never go wrong
uzwile istats sithini sithi iPirates ayina lose maqale uMakhawula.
uMakhawula no yeah akana lose as long as iqala game. But today he showed. I told you about indaba yokuthi emuva sidlala ngabantu abawu4 but then Van Rooyen now he's now more udlala phambili ukudlula ngasemuva. Ubani who's our last man? If you've watched igame yanamhlanje kahle. Who was playing as a last man?
Was it Nonosiam?
No. It was your chain. Even from igame eMakezi, our last man was Uchain.
That's why I said
Young Todd. So you look at Uchain. When you look at the game, like overall, Chain was always found out of his box. He's playing game. He's playing ball. Young Todd.
Sure.
Like that's how Chain is, and then no lona yakhe ne defense yakhe shows ilona I believe in him. They believe in him and they have confidence in him. That's why ubona most amabhola alibela mphaselwa amabhola without any hesitation or whatsoever. Ngithola. So it shows you ukuthi he is now more than just a goalkeeper.
And then the Van Rooyen and Sibelebele change.
Yeah, I think. I mean, I feel like okay, fine. But I feel like it was a good change. We needed. Van Rooyen had a problem with passes today. He was too quick. Decision making was not there. He lost way too many balls. Young Tol. But then he was there as a player, Azama. But then it took him a while to connect. Young Tol. Amabola wakhe bewalahla pai. So you look at Usibelebele. You now have Usibelebele. You now have Urile. You have abantu ukuthi ukuthi Muremi was still there actually. And then you have speed. So when you have speed, you need people abangeke balahla amabhola that easy. Yeah. And then you look at ibhola like Police again. Police she just got unlucky. Uzamile ukulikhela but then lahlala ngelindlela elihleli ngayo la yakhona ngithola. So yeah, I'd say yeah, but so
I think wadu into ekezama ukuyenza ukuthi mase uqala ukuthi uattacker into iPirates ithi sikubulale ngento ngespeed sizame ukufaka into ispeed phambili because you look at last ufake untu Sibelebele then phambi kweSibelebele kunobani kunoMurimi so uSibelebele he's a winger iposition yakhe kahle and uyagijima umgijimi so no Sibelebele unoMurimi unabantu abagijimayo like lento beyenza amaZulu namhlanje bese beqala wenzani abasashayela ublock sebefuna ukwenzani uattack then khona ukuthola nje leyo pass le long pass le
you know
ukuthi is overloaded yes
yabona to add up on what you just said ngitshele engitsotsi bengihlele naye la ngathi no now I like amaZulu I like it when they do this why ngathi no right now they playing with emotions they chasing a goal and they think iPirates ilahlile. So we are trying to pull them out of that box. We want them to play game. We want them to open our spaces for Tino so that we can be able to do what? To penetrate. Because we can't penetrate a team that's playing a congested like backline like that. Like they were too congested, but too much. So we needed them to break up. A relationship at the end of the day. So we needed to bavuleke so that we can be able to get into those spaces. That's whereby you saw Hopas no De Jong. They did the very same thing. But don't say how many defenders, but don't say 4. And it was just only 2 of them. And told Hopas maga winning a ball, emoyen, Alfiela or De Jong. Already there were 2 defenders egotism surrounded. Nikulumanga lo se move on Makile na lo society. And then now here is what's happening. De Jong, he's making a run with that ball. But then when we have a tonsa for tubale tap. He's throwing attention to what? Towards Yena, Nobani, no Hopas. Hopas, knowing exactly what to he is surrounded by 4 defenders. And then the only thing it may like check Uktola is space so pass. Urile we won. Urile we won. That's what I needed.
I needed them to give us that breakthrough, uyangithola, and then they did. Uyangithola, and abuku hopas magayipasa uyipasa phi in between legs, uyangithola, and then ithola bani urile being urile. That's why City scanner before and then he does whatever he does after it. He scanned the uskene ipali ne goalkeeper way too far. Wavela wayitrapper ukujika kwakhe watetela.
But asivale nge-impact yakhe uHoppers wena yaya ngama-9 minutes. I think azangadlali kule game.
Yeah.
Ufike manje 5 minutes wenza impact.
Yeah.
What you say as uHoppers as a player?
Ibusele emuva. Uthi why they are impact player.
Yeah. They're not subs.
Uma ehleli lapha uyabona ukuthi okay uMbuthuma yini eke ngayenzi. Then mina mangena yini ekumele ngiyenze.
Yeah.
So that's simple. UMbuthuma bekunama eshawamanti ama first touch.
Yeah.
Ubone ushaya first touch.
He did try. He did his best. It was not just his day. Yeah, it was not his day.
Uthola ibhola liyabaleka then umuntu ehobzini ukuthi okay ithi mina ngiqhubeke lapho uMbuthuma
Ashiye khona uyangithola. Yeah.
So ube impact player as a coach ehlezi esho ukuthi mina la ngama impact player.
No.
Then qhubeka ngokuwinela igame from benchini
Coach, uyayibona?
So you take the 3 points ngiyaqhubeka niba number 1.
Yep.
So is it a pressure kini or is it just
No. Hence I said on our earlier conversation, I said we needed to take the 3 points so that we can be free from that pressure. Pressure yethu kahle beyifandaka. Because game in hand is a pressure. But then now, that game in hand means 3 points. No, we don't have a game in hand. We are equal in terms of games, 15-15. All teams is Pezulu, is Ufos Lalema 15 games. So what's happening right now, our focus is where? Go Nedbank Cup. So I said to you, we needed to go to Nedbank Cup with a clear conscience, with a win, with the 3 points, still go number 1. So it's that Mapagania. Bophe mnyama. Yadle mnyama.